All right, pre-algebra. Hold on. All right, listen. Yes. Oh, that's all right. Did you, guys? Guys? You can't all talk at once. Stop. Actually, talk. Three. All right, we'll go over that. 338, 1 through 4. Okay, I will go over that with you. Just give me 1 second. All right, guys. Nick, no. You know what? You're all going to be muted in a minute. Arthur, who am I missing now? Where's Caleb? Where's Abel? All right, so John and where's Rihanna? All right, John and Danny, Fabian. How far did you guys get with the new? Hold on, stop, wait. 10.1. All right, so I want you guys to try to do up to 30 on page 454 and 455, okay? Yes, go ahead. Okay, good. So see if you could do 17 through 30. All right? And there's examples there. There's just 2 different sets of examples that you could try. And then I'll get back with you to see how you did, okay? Jed, what are you up to? Jed, wait. What? You don't have your Algebra 1 book, Jed? And you don't have it there. All right, I'm going to have to look for it. Did she give you your test booklet? Okay. I'll look for your thing here, but I don't think I have it. So let me look. All right. Pre-algebra. I need all of you to go to page 3. Actually, what was it? 338? Okay. I'm going to do these. Wait, guys, do not ask me those questions now. I can't look right now. I will look as soon as we're done. I'm just saying, I'll look. All right, so. All right, so, Ashley, number 1, is everyone with me? Problem solving number 1. All right, problem solving number 1. Okay. All right, a triangular piece of land, okay, triangular piece of land has a height of a half a mile, right? Half. And a base of 3/4 a mile. Now, what's the formula for area of a triangle? Exactly, good. So you're going to do 1/2 times your base times your height. So multiply right across. What do you get? 3. Apple. Yes, you do. Okay. 3. No, it's not 3/8. It's 3/16. Right? Now, 2 times 4 times 2. And then you get 3/16. Oh, okay. This is quiet. Now, they're giving it to you in miles. They want you to find acres. Can someone go back a couple sections and find how many acres are in a mile? Okay, 316 times what, Alma? 640? Okay, so now what you want to do is, you want to multiply, it's 3/16 of 640, because they're giving it to you in a mile, but you want to change it to acres, okay? So this would be 1, and this would be 40. What's 3 times 40? 120, okay? 120. 120. All right, number 2. Actually, is that all you needed, or you needed all of them? Wait, go ahead, Apple. What? Oh. Right, 3/16. Can you see this 4? Okay, times 340, right. And you're going to cross cancel. That's 1. Sorry. What was this? 640. What was it, Apple? 640? Yeah. So then that's 4. So it's 3 times 40, right? All right, so 3 times 40 is 120. All right, that's... Okay, go ahead, sorry, Ashley. 2. 3 times 40 is 120. All right, well, because look, Emma, you had 16 into 640, not just into 64. So it was 40, right? Yes? Okay. Everybody needs to wake up now. Wake up. Put your thinking caps on. All right. So number 2, what? Apple. 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 This is the 5th time I am doing this with you. 3/16 times 640. Apple, cross cancel those 2. This and that. What do you get? Cross cancel. Yeah, cross divide. Yeah, it was 4. 6 times it was 4, so it's 40. And what's 3 times 40? 120. Okay? We're done with that one. All right, number 2, Ashley, it's the length of the base of the height of the length. So we have the base and the height. Okay, so if they're doubled, what will happen to the area? So if these 2 are doubled, both of these are doubled. So let's do 1/2 2d times 2h. What's going to happen to the area? It wouldn't double. It says it's going to be 4 times as great. Woo! Okay, that one's just 4 times. So if you could just put 4 times as great. Now, is there another one you needed? Three. All right, a triangle has a base of 6, and area of 12. Okay, now this one, you're looking for the height. All right, is everyone with me? So, your area equals 1/2 base times height, right? So what's the area? They're giving it to you. What is it? It's 12, good. So 12 equals 1/2. Your base is 6. Your height is h. So you're looking for h, right? So what's 1/2 of 6? 3. Then I have 3h. So what would I do now? No? Does anyone know what I would do there? No, we're not subtracting, we're not adding. What are we doing here? You divide by 3. You want the h alone. So h equals, the height is 4. Okay. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, now again, we're going to do the next one, number 4. All right. Find the area. Now we are looking for area. So 1/2 base times height. All right, Gustavo, can you help me with 4? You have, okay, now look at number 4 for a minute. Yeah, wait. Yes, yes. All right, they're telling you the height is 52 inches and the base is 8 feet. Now, what's wrong with that? You can't multiply inches by feet. So let's turn this inches into feet. What do we do? Good. 52 divided by 12. Does anyone have a calculator? Because it's going to give us a decimal. So do 52 divided by 12. What is it? All right, so we're going to have your height is 4.3, and what is your base? 8, okay? Now multiply all those across. 0.5 times 4.3 times 8. So go ahead. Did you take half of it? What? Oh, good. 17 point what? No. It should. Yep. 17.3. Well, 3. Well, 17 and a third, but that's fine. Okay? So just make sure if you don't have the same units here, you can't do anything with it. You have to change one. Okay? All right. So now what else did you have to do last night? All right. Well, we'll come back to that because I want to do area of the circle now. So go to page 340. I'll be right back with that. I want to do something else real fast. So 17 and a third. Guys, why are you not getting it? I'm saying it and I'm writing it on the board. So you need to be paying attention. Well, I know, Almo, it's hard. It should be easier for you to pay attention now. No one's around you bothering you, right? Okay. So now go to page 340 because now I'm going to give you the formula for area of a circle. Okay? Now, like I said before, stop humming, who's ever doing that. Before, I told you I was going to give you the formulas, but you have to know how to plug the numbers in, okay? So, area of the circle is pi r squared, all right? Now, r stands for your radius, right? But if they give you, like say they give you a diameter and they tell you to find the radius, you're going to have to take half of that diameter, okay? So if the diameter is 10, what's the radius? If 5, good. All right, this is just an example. So let's do on page 341. They're telling us the radius is 5. So we can just go right here and plug that there. So the radius is 5 squared times 3.14. So who has the calculator? What's 5 squared? 25. Do 25 times 3.14. Yep, that's your answer. Well, I have 5, but sorry. All right, number 2. So everyone has that. Well, you're really kidding me, right? I just did a whole problem and you're not even on the page. Number 2. The radius is 6.1. So it's pi r squared. What's my radius? So 6.1 squared. Someone do 6.1 squared. 6.1 times 6.1. All right, good. Now multiply that by 3.14. 116 point. Very good. 84. Good. Very good, Gustavo. Who was it? Gustavo? Who's me? All right, well. All right, so number 3. The radius equals 3. So pi r squared. What's 3 squared? 9. So do 3.14 times 9. Go ahead. 48. Not 4. 28. 28.26. Good. 9 times 4 is 36, right? 9 times 1, 2, yes, good. 3, 4. All right, so next one. R equals 1/5. Radius equals 1/5. Now, it's 1/5 squared times 3.14. So what's 1/5 times 1/5? It's not 2/5. It's 1/25 times 3.14. Now, this is what you have to do. Take that 1. So who has the calculator? No, Danny, you're doing something else, Danny. Come on, Apple. Put 1 divided by 25. Yep, equals. Okay, now multiply 0.04 times 3.14. Yep, that's your answer, 0.13. You rounded to 0.13. Good. Because you can't, how are you going to multiply these two? Go ahead, tell me. Exactly. That's what I did right here. That's why I said 1 divided by 25. Okay? All right, next one. R equals 7.2. So it's 3.14 times 7.2 squared. What's 7.2 times 7.2? Danny, you can move on. Adrian, don't just keep going. What? Yeah, who said 14.4? That's when you add it. No, so it's 7.2 times 7.2. What was it, Apple? All right, 51.84. Now take that times 3.14. Who has it? Good. Very good. Perfect. Good. Okay. All right. Now, number 6. We have r equals 10. So pi r squared, 3.14 times 10 squared. What's 10 squared? What's 10 squared? 100. Now, remember when I told you when you're dealing with powers of 10? All you have to do, how many zeros are here? 2 times. Very good. 314. Right? 0.13. You're welcome. Okay, so let's do the problem solving, and then you guys are going to do the bottom by yourself. All right. Okay, so If the radius of a circle is 24 inches, what's the diameter? What do? If here's your radius, 24, right? What's the whole thing? Oh my goodness, guys, come on. I tell you this every day. If this is, yeah, I do. If this is the radius, right, then this is the diameter. It's twice the radius. 48, good. All right, number 2, the diameter of a circle is 10. What is the area? Okay, so now, remember I said they were going to do this. If this is 10, and you need to find the area, you need to find the radius first. Actually, what would the radius be? Right, do you see this? That this is 10. Did I not just tell you? Okay. What's the radius compared to the diameter? It's 5. It's half of the diameter. So it's 3.14 times 5 squared. So it's 3.14 times 25. What's 3.14 times 25? Did anyone get it? 78.5. Okay, now the next one they're giving us. Now remember, this is what you have to remember, and I already told you. I will give it to you. But for the next section, you're going to have to know this, okay? Circumference is 2 pi d. 2 pi r, or pi d, depending on if you're given the radius or the diameter. Does everyone see that's an r? Okay, so now number 3, they're giving you the circumference. Okay, so we're going to do C equals, and they're giving you, they want the area. So they're giving you the circumference, so it equals 314, right? And they want the area, okay? So we're going to be able to find this because we're going to find, what do we do? Since the area involves the radius, right? Let's use this one for circumference, 2 pi r, right? Now, we already know what pi equals, right? We already know what our circumference equals. So it's 314 equals, what's pi? 3.14 times 2, right? What's 2 times 3.14? 6.28. Now this is going to give us our radius, right? Because we only had one unknown. We knew what that was. Sorry, get rid of that. I didn't mean to do that. It's 314 equals 6.28 r. Now, how am I going to find my r, my radius? Huh? Guys, look, someone has to know this. Look, 314 equals, no, if the variable is right next to it, and what does that mean? A number next to a letter, what does that mean? Multiplication. So how do you undo multiplication? Division. Right, so divide by 6. So what's 3.14 divided by 6.28? 314 divided by 6.28. Arthur, did you get it? Someone please find 314 divided by 6.28. This is not rocket science. All you have to do is use your calculator. If you don't have a calculator, you all have phones every day, and now all of a sudden, you can't find anything to divide with. Oh my goodness, isn't 50? 50. If your radius is 50, what do I do now? Look, right here. The radius is 50. Plug it into there and someone get me an answer for the area. John, are you and Danny finished? You can move on if you. Where? Which one? Oh, no, that's fine. You can do some of the review 10.1. I'll do 10.2 with you. All right? Just do some of the review. You can do. Actually, you can do the matrices. All right. So start with 1, and then you'd be able to do that whole page. We've done all of that. So try that. Okay. That's it. That's your homework. 10.1. All right. Okay. So who has the area of this circle? Wait. But see, you have 50. What are you going to do with that 50? Look, here's your formula right here. If your R is 50, what are you going to do with that R before you do anything? Right. What's 50 times 50? 2,500. And then do 2,500 times 3.14. Okay, who has that? $7,850. Good. Okay, one more, and then you're going to work on your own. All right, now look at number 4. Okay, this one I'm going to draw out to demonstrate. So it says a radio station can be heard. Guys, a radio station can be heard for 100 miles in all directions, right? If this is the radio station, it can be heard 100 miles in all directions. What do we call that? That part of the circle right here. What's that part of the circle called? Good. So the radius is 100, right? How many miles does the station serve? So, okay, now we're going to do pi r squared to find the area. We know the radius. So use the same thing you did before, Evan, and actually whoever did it last time. So you're going to square your radius and times it by 3.14. Yep, very good, Evan. 31,400 for number 4. Okay, so now we're going to do the sharpening skills. You can start it now. That's going to be your homework, 1 through 17. All right. 17. No? I don't know, but who asked me in the beginning of the class if I got their homework? Apple? Yeah, we have 10, guys, wait, stop. We have 10 minutes left. All right, so wait, I'm going to look right now. What day, Apple? Arthur, turn back around. Where? Tell me. Nick, what, no, Nick, which day? Yesterday? Let me see. That was when? Yesterday? Yesterday. I have, yes, I have it. Yep. Yep, I have Ngozi, Arthur, Avo, and Nick from yesterday. And Ashley, right. Okay, that's fine, good. I know this is your homework for tonight. For those of you that aren't handing it in, are you having trouble with it? Or, okay. Wait, Nick, I want to give you your homework because there's going to be a quiz on Monday and then we're going to have a test soon. So the quiz on Monday, listen, please don't interrupt me like that. The quiz on Monday is going to be 8.1 through, where did I just put it? Give me a second. What can I do? Oh, sorry, hold on guys. 8.1 through 8. Wait a minute, 8.20? No, yes, 8.1 through 8.16. 8.1 to 8.16, that's it. All right, so your quiz Monday is on that. Did everyone hear that? Yes. Oh, what's this? Sorry. Do you have a question, Gustavo? Did you hear what I said about the quiz? 8.1 to 8.16 on Monday, and then we're having a test next Friday. Right? Yeah, 8.1 to 8.16. Now, Gustavo, are you able to upload your homework or not? Can you try to upload that? Because this is due, homework, listen, okay? The quiz is on Monday, 8.1 to 8.16. The homework is page 341, sharpening skills 1 through 17, okay? Okay, you're welcome. All right. Now, we'll still have a couple more minutes, Nick. No. Okay. So everyone understood the homework? So, hold on. Oh. All right, guys, wait, stop. Listen, no, stop. Listen. Quiz 8.1. Guys, you need to stop talking. The quiz, I'm changing it. I made a mistake. It's 8.1 to 8.24. Gustavo, did you hear me? 8.1 to 8.24. Now, Evan, you were asking about the homework for tonight, right? That's okay. That's okay. Hold on 1 second. Let me give you that. It's okay. Page 341. Okay. Sharp, 341. Stop talking. To 342. Sharpening skills number 1 through 17. Okay. So it goes to the next page. Okay, guys? All right, and see if you can upload it. It'll be easier. No, the quiz, Nick, is Monday. I will give that to you when we come in. You'll say, I'm going to do it on the board. You'll be fine. Okay, yes, Ashley, go ahead, hon. 10.3? Why are you on 10? Where do you see 10.3? Yeah. Oh, well, I hope we get to that. So, all right. What, Arthur, you don't have any questions about the homework on page 341. You're fine with that? You're going to get them all correct. What? Do you know what you have to do? Look at number 1, guys, real fast before we end. If the radius is 4 inches, what's the diameter? 8. Good. If the diameter is 8, what's the circumference? All right, go on. What would you do for the guys? What would you do for the circumference? Go on. Why 5? Number 1. What's the rate? Who is saying that? All right, Arthur, did you see how to do that? You got 8 for the diameter. So it's pi d. 3.14 times 8. What's the answer, Ashley? Good. That goes in the line where the circumference is 25.12. Now, Evan, how would you find the area? Yeah, good. 4, so that, yeah, so it's 16 times 3.14. Everyone do that. Because you all should have the first one done now. Because I just did every one of them with Ashley and Evan. So what's 3.14? Wait, 3.14 times 16. Everyone do it. Hold on, Nick. What is it? Yes, very good. Yes, Nick. No. All right. So on number 1, for circle A, the radius they gave you is 4. The diameter is 8. The circumference was 25.12, and the area was 50.24. All right. So you have to do the rest of that page and the next page. Radius, square the radius. I wrote remember I wrote the 2 formulas on the board? Pi r squared is the area, and then the circumference is either pi d or 2 pi r. Guys, some of you aren't doing anything. You don't have any grades because you're not giving me anything. Well, you better hand everything in from last week. Monday. Tuesday, what? 10.1, 1 through 14. The review, right? Okay? Hurry up. It's both kind of like annoying, but whatever. Oh, wait. Wait, 4? What does it do? Chapter 9? No. Oh.